SOMREP has been working in Delenn community for the past 6 years. And in those 6 years, we've managed to implement in our processes different consultative approaches which have allowed us to remain relevant to the community. One of which is the source that we are here. The SOTA source has been in existence since 2021, and in that period we've managed to ensure that communities have access to water. The Delenn community, with more than 600 individuals, now can access water from this community. And as they've come also from pastoralists, also get water from there. And through that we've managed to cut their water journeys and also ensure that during the driest of seasons they have very around to a multi-use water source. With support from SDC, we've managed to ensure that this is a success. SOMREP is working in different communities also where we have similar interventions that are communities during the dry seasons to ensure that they have all year-round access to water. In addition to that, the communities manage to sustain their water source, ensuring that they can sell water to water tracking companies and also collect